Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheelspaces on the YouTube channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about the BONOSS Shifter Wheel Lockbolt Kit. Let's go. There are 8 colors of the shell, which are deep blue, red, gray, gold, black, purple, sky blue, and silver. A BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 Shifter Wheel Lockbolt Kit includes 20-piece wheel bolts, 20-piece shells, a hex 19mm socket, 4-piece locking bolts, a lock key. Installing shifter wheel bolts is not only the way of experienced professional but also the pursuit of beauty and the attitudes of loving life. While getting a better appearance, it can also ensure the driving safety of the vehicle. At the same time, the special slip and 4 lock wheel bolts are given to prevent the wheel from being stolen and improve safety. If you want to get the BONOSS Shifter Wheel Lockbolt Kit, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.